Welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about how to say leave me alone in Spanish. Whether you're traveling to a Spanish-speaking country or just want to learn some basic Spanish phrases, this video is perfect for you. Today, we'll be learning the most common way to say leave me alone in Spanish and also discussing some other related phrases that you might find useful. So, let's get started. The phrase leave me alone in Spanish is déjame en paz or déjame solo. These two phrases mean the same thing and are used interchangeably in Spanish. To break this phrase down, déjame is the verb dejar conjugated to the first person singular form, which means to leave, and en paz or solo both mean alone. So when put together, the phrase déjame en paz or déjame en paz or déjame solo means leave me alone. Now let's talk about some other useful phrases that you might want to know when expressing your need for privacy or space in a Spanish-speaking country. For example, if you want to politely ask someone to stop bothering you, you can say por favor, déjame en paz, or por favor, déjame solo, which means please leave me alone. Another common phrase you might use is no me molests, which means don't bother me. This can be useful if someone is bothering you and you want them to stop. You might also want to know how to say I need some alone time in Spanish. The phrase necesito un tiempo para mí means I need some time for myself. This can be helpful if you need to explain to someone why you need to be alone. Additionally, you might want to know how to say go away in Spanish. The phrase vet or vet de aquí means go away. This can be useful if someone is bothering you and you want them to leave. So there you have it, the most common ways to say leave me alone in Spanish, along with some related phrases that you might find useful. Whether you're traveling to a Spanish-speaking country or just want to learn some basic Spanish, now you know how to express your need for privacy or space in a clear and concise way. So the next time you need some alone time, you'll be able to confidently ask for it in Spanish. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Language Guru, for more videos like this one.